Hello YouTubers, it's the Mad Mechanic here. And do you know what? Do you find that when you buy something without really having a good look at something, and you get it home and you think the picture looks better than it actually was? Every single thing on this car has been broken, rusty, knackered, shattered, deranged and everything. So it's just been a bit of a trial and error, but we are getting there. Now today, little updates for you. We fitted the front valance because the other one was absolutely rotten. It's got to come off again anyway, but it's all generally fitted, so it's all going to be adjusted and this and that. Now that wasn't the problem. Today, the two hood fittings that fit on the front windscreen panel post were absolutely rotten, and when I went to take them off because I want to repaint the front bottom so you can put the windscreen back in again, I had to cut two access panels, as you can see on there. There's a little bit of rust just there, two access panels because all of them are sheared off. So to get the little plates out, there's little plates inside that are bolts so they can actually move up and down. Now what I've done, you can see the plates here. What I've done now is this one was okay, the other one was absolutely stuck in there. So I've heated it up with my blowtorch and pair of mole grips, got the old bit out, new screw in, or a decent screw in to retap the threads, and we're back in business again. Then what I had to do then is put these back in put those plates back in there again, and then wind them back over, weld them all back up, and jobs are good. Absolute nightmare, but still, that's the way it goes. As you can see, start on the door. The door's getting a new coat of paint soon. But as you notice at the bottom here, where the wing fits the door, it's not fitting properly at the bottom. So I'm going to have to weld and then make up the metal and then reshape it so it fits properly. As you see, the back end now is all sort of done. And then what I've also done as well, because the door in the middle, it's all sagged, and I think it's had a bit of a bash in its time. And what I've also done is I've jacked the bodywork up and put all new rubbers and new permanent mountings. You know, you get little aluminium spacers, so they've got all new spacers, so it jacks it up at the front, and it's all nice and stable now. What I've also found is that anti-burst latches that go on the bodywork are slightly too high, so I've got to just lower them down a bit. But everything fits perfectly. So what I've done now, as you can see, the holes now are all welded back up again. My welding is shite, but it is what it is. A little bit of glass fibre over the top of that, a little bit of filler, and it'd be as good as new. As you can see, the quarter lights. Oh, hello. Who are you? As you can see, the quarter lights have all been stripped down, ready for new rubbers, all been fitted, so I can get the front channels and the guttering sorted out. So that's all done, and then hopefully by next week sometime I can get that all painted. We've got a new windscreen rubber coming, new windscreen, or not new windscreen, but the windscreen will be fitted. Yeah, here's a picture of my old Herald that I had a few years back and rebuilt. And you know, sometimes you think to yourself, why did I sell that? But anyway, it is what it is, like you say, and that's the way it is. Listen, guys and ladies, if you like this, please subscribe, please like, and there'll be some more videos very, very soon. Take care now.